MHC Kenworth Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. This will go fast, a 2013 HINO 238 flatbed truck, a 230 horsepower automatic for sale at MHC Denver. It's super clean. Check out the flatbed. It's 16 feet long. You've got 8K fronts, 10K rears, and a 230-inch wheelbase. You've got 22.5 LPs with steel wheels all around and a 56-gallon fuel tank. This truck sits at 179,000 on the miles. Your engine, a HINO JO80-TV with that Allison automatic transmission. Here's the interior that looks super clean after our detail work. So does your dash. Come and get this truck, a 2013 HINO 238 flatbed truck. Call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.